We are in Tsumagoi in Gunma Prefecture in a ryokan called Hanaichi. And it is a hot springs onsen ryokan. You can see here. 7 rooms in Gunma Prefecture, which is renowned for onsen. But actually, Tsumagoi is not an onsen town per se, like Kusatsu or Ikaho and other places in Gunma. This just happens to have an onsen Japanese ryokan because supposedly they just dug for kicks and they hit the jackpot after drilling a little over 1 kilometer deep. So anyways, if you're in the area and you want to get your fix of an onsen ryokan, this might actually work. This works for our route that we're taking in this region right now, which is why we are staying here. This room is called Tsukushi 105. It's one of the top rooms of the 7. There's one that's larger than this, but this is the most recently renovated in 2022, so 2 years ago. And let's take a look. So it's kind of an open plan living space. So this is a dining table. You can choose to have the meal served here for a small surcharge. This is the lounge area. There's also a table with a heated blanket, or the blanket, not the blanket, but it's called a kotatsu, where they have a heating system underneath the table. Put your feet in there and you stay warm because it does get cold in beginning in the late fall in this area. And that's a massage chair. Here you have a mini bar and a kettle. I'm sure there's tea bags and stuff in here. And then this is the sleeping quarters. It's a bed. Over here are the samue, which is the loungewear that's often found in ryokans. Some have yukata, some have both. I don't know if this place has a yukata or not. Maybe they have it elsewhere in this room that I'm not aware of. These closets often have extra futons in case there's multiple people staying here. So again, we like dining in our room, but it's late November. We've chosen to eat in the dining area. There's a lot of, I don't know if all of them are like this. There is a kind of a main open dining area, but there's more than a few private koshitsu dining rooms. So that's, they've offered that to us. So rather than kind of have it in this cold floor with the glass table, it's more of a Japanese style private dining experience that we'll be having tonight. This is a little work area, I guess. Yep. And then if we go here, the bathroom. And hello. I actually like how the toilet is segregated from the bath wash basin, because that way, if 2 people, one is using the toilet, the other person can still use this area and not hold up the other person if they're using the toilet itself. So, single sink. The amenities, so they have, they all have toothbrush, cotton swabs, whatnot. Not individually wrapped style bottles, but looks like they have the necessities here. Now, the interesting thing about this place, again, is that they lucked out, hit the jackpot by drilling. And this is full-on hot springs onsen straight from their backyard of the property. So straight from the source It's never recirculated, so as it flows out of here, it's gone. And they continue to pump the hot springs into the baths here. This is the shower area. So we can get a better view of the onsen bath. Let me close the door here. So again, this is a 7-room luxury onsen in Tsumagoi, which is in Gunma Prefecture. Not the most convenient place to get to. Most people who come here drive here. I don't know if there's a ton of things to do in the immediate area. But, you know, if you have a route going to the various onsen towns and this area is a convenient place to spend the night at, like it is for us, then, you know, looks like it might fit the bill. We'll see how the food turns out. It is supposedly renowned for it, and so that's why we're here to try it out. Anyways, this is Hanaichi, a 7-room ryokan. Oh, by the way, so they don't have a communal bathing facility, but every room has its own onsen bath, like you just saw, but there's also 2 baths that you can rent, and first come, first serve. If it's used, then you just wait. Oh, by the way, over here, I don't know how to open this, but there is, I hope there's no glare. This is actually Mount Asama, or Asamayama as they say in Japanese. It's covered in clouds, but it is maybe not on the level of Fuji, but it's beautiful nonetheless. And on a clear day, it's a good view. Actually, this place is not far from Karuizawa, which is a nice kind of vacation destination for Tokyo people. Think like the Hamptons for New Yorkers. And so there's stuff around, nothing that's like awe-inspiring or UNESCO inscribed, but it's nice to get off the beaten path, to be where not too many others venture into, especially if you're a connoisseur of Japan and you've been here quite often, then this might be a good change of pace. Hanaichi and Tsumagoi, Gunma. Hope you enjoyed.